What's the benefit of an Ecoboost engine? Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, Ecoboost is a term that Ford uses for some of their engines, and the primary benefits of an Ecoboost engine is that it produces quite a bit of horsepower and gets very good fuel economy combined the two. Now, a couple of factors that contribute to that is, one, they're turbocharged, so that helps the power. And the other is, I don't really have much to show you for it, but they have a high pressure fuel system that is called direct injection. And by directly injecting the fuel into the cylinder, they can have a lot more control over it. So the combination of the turbocharger and the direct injection gives you horsepower and fuel economy. I hope that helps you understand a little bit more about your Ecoboost. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.